Ingredients: 4 potatoes, peeled and cut into strips, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, vegetable oil for frying, 4 egg fillets, lemon, but is optional, and flour. Utensils: we need plates, knives, kitchen tongs, kitchen paper, chopping board, large pot or a frying pan, mesh skimmer, and a fork. The chips. First of all, we peel the potatoes. Then, we cut them into strips. And we add salt. Second, we fill the pans with vegetable oil, one for the fish and the other for the potatoes. Later, we put the potatoes in the frying pan using the mesh skimmer. After 15 minutes, remove the potatoes from the heat. The fish. We break the egg. We add salt and we beat it. We take the flour and spread it on a plate. Then, together with the egg, we coat the fish fillets and leave them on a plate. Finally, we put the fish in the frying pan. When it is a little bit gold, we turn the fillets, and when they are cooked and golden, we remove them and put them in a plate. And this is the result! Fish and chips!